Hi everyone and welcome back to Soft Skills Studio. My name is Suman Kher. In a series on Toastmasters that I've been making, in the last video we looked at what are the things that you need to look at before you decide a Toastmasters club. Today I'm going to talk about how to make the best of your Toastmasters membership. So here are a few tips. Make sure that you attend our meetings, especially if you're in a fortnightly club. Get on stage as much as you can because this is your opportunity to face people in a non-threatening and supportive environment. Take up roles in every meeting. I spoke about the kind of roles that you can take up in the last meeting. So make sure that you take up roles because that helps you not just be a part of the meeting, but you can also add them against your leadership track and get a certificate. Finally, volunteer to organize events in your club, help other clubs organize theirs, take up mentorship, take up evaluation roles. There are a lot of things that you can do in order to volunteer in a Toastmasters club and get the most out of your membership. Now, before I finish, I want to remind you to hit a like on this particular video and ensure that you subscribe to the channel because there are a lot more videos coming up in the future. Until then, thank you so much for watching.